I'm out here walking the bank of the Mississippi River. There, I've been walking around and exploring the beaches. I was wanting to show you all this stuff here I'd picked up. I'd been walking up through here on the Mississippi River, on the banks. Back this way up and down the banks. I picked up all this. You can see there, this one says New Madrid, Missouri. And it says some more up here, but I can't read it all. And then a couple other tops and neck pieces. This is a old Coke bottle. That one's got some design on it. This one here says liquor bottle. Alright, I'm down here catfishing on the Mississippi River, and I just found this brick on the bank. CACLEDE. Right here there's a KING. FLATHEAD King. It's a brick. Mississippi River, Flathead. Alright, it's 10 o'clock. I'm out here on the Mississippi River. I'm at New Madrid, Missouri. And I've got my 2 catfish poles out. I had just caught a flathead. I didn't get it on camera, it surprised me. I just had to jump up and grab my pole, but I caught 1 flathead. I've rebaited and I've threw everything back out. There's my 2 catfish poles. And I've got them green lights on there. And I've also got bells on my poles. Here's that flathead. Mississippi River, flathead. I've only been here for a couple hours. So I'd missed 1 bite earlier. I had a bite and missed it. It knocked my pole completely down. It was set up just like this, and then my bell started going off, and when I turned and looked, my fishing pole bounced and it fell off the holder and it hit the ground. And I had ran and jumped and grabbed my pole and started reeling it, but I missed the bite. I missed the fish. And then I'd reeled it in and checked my bait and it was gone, so it stole my bait. And then I'd rebaited and threw back out, and it was probably 10 or 15 minutes maybe. And then that's when I caught that flathead. But we're at New Madrid, Missouri, catfishing the Mississippi River. If anything else happens, I'll let you know. Just caught another flathead. Alright, I've been going through all this glass that I'd picked up at the Mississippi River. I cleaned it all and picked up all of it, and this is everything that I had found. These here kind of have like a purple color to them. This one here says New Madrid, Missouri. Just a broke piece, but it says New Madrid, Missouri. But while I was out there catfishing, that's mainly why I went there, was just to go fishing. But once I threw in my catfish poles and I was waiting for a bite, I was just walking around looking there. on the bank. See, here's a green one with a little design on it. This one here says liquor bottle. What kind of bottle is this one? I don't know that much about bottles. I know there's a couple here that say cola on them. You see that one right there? It says Cola Company. Same here. This is from a Coke bottle. But you can see right there. New Madrid, Missouri. Here's that Coke bottle. It said Jackson, Missouri.